Baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair float when the wind blow. Even if the money been slow, hey, to you it don't matter, cause you're still gon' ride with me. You're still gon' ride with me. I say you're still gon' ride with me. I know you're still gon' ride with me. Hey, welcome to the life of a nice brother, light-skinned, black father, white mother. Tried to be a player, found out I'm a slight lover. Come from Carolina, I'm fly, I'm a right brother. Went away to school looking for the right lover. You know, someone to cut and never worry about a rubber. She had a man, I be damn, think I might love her. Thought about her ass for the whole damn summer. Man, I even memorized the whole damn number. This is my semester, dog, I'm coming to arrest her, y'all. You know, handcuff her. Her ex-man, fuck him. Oh nah, don't be a part, man, that nigga was a dog, so it's me now. And she be everywhere I be now. I wonder should I tell her what her fella wanna be now. The dreams I've been dreaming and them things I wanna see now. Do that make you wanna leave or will you still hold me down? Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair float when the wind blow. Even if the money been slow, hey, to you it don't matter, cause you still gon' ride with me. You still gon' ride with me. I say you still gon' ride with me. I know you still gon' ride with me. Hey,
just like a star.
Cause baby girl you shine,
Just like a star.
and we gon' do it big.
Just like a star.
And maybe get a crib.
Just like a star.
Hey, maybe we can live.
Just
Hey,
like a star.
for you I always had an admiration. We lost touch, but you never left my imagination. Congratulations on your graduation. Oh, now it's time to hit the real world, filled with all them resumes and applications. Man, but ain't nobody calling you back. You say it's cause you a woman, and even more cause you black. Imagine that, the weight of everything on your plate. You got the world on your back, baby, if you can relate. Man, I feel for you. Hey, has this world got too real for you? Your old friends say you changed, but I still know you. You that same old girl I used to take home from school, trying to look cool. Forgot I had to break on. Damn, time passed and you done grew up. And yeah, it's just like I told you, baby, look out, I'm blew up. But the money and this little bit of fame ain't changed me. So holler when you need me, I bet you get the same me. Hey baby girl, roll down your window. I love to see your hair float when the wind blows. Even